Hello friends, now we see the subtopic 8, problem number 4, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 4 is limit x tends to root 3 x raised 4 minus 9 upon x square plus 4 root 3 into x minus 50. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote given limit as a L. So we get L is equal to limit x tends to root 3 x raised 4 minus 9 upon x square plus 4 root 3x minus 50. Now here we have to factorize numerator as well as denominator. So first we consider the term which present in a numerator. Consider x raised 4 minus 9, which can be written as x square the whole square minus 9 can be written as 3 the whole square. So by using formula a square minus b square, that gives us a plus b, a minus b. So here we get x square minus 3, at the same time x square plus 3. Again the term x square minus 3 can be written as x the whole square minus 3 can be written as root 3 the whole square, that is in the first bracket, and we write x square plus 3, that second bracket, as it is. Now again we apply the same formula, that a square minus b square gives us a minus b, a plus b. So here the next step will be x plus root 3 into x minus root 3, and the third term x square plus 3 we write as it is. So these are all required factors for the term that x raised 4 minus 9. Now here we have to factorize the term which present in the denominator. So consider x square plus 4 root 3x minus 15. So this we can be factorized by using synthetic division method. First of all, we write the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Coefficient of x is 4 root 3 and the constant term is minus 15. Here the divisor we take start, that is a limit, that root 3. First number, that 1 we write as it is, then root 3 into 1 we get a root 3. Now this is 4 root 3 and this is plus 1 root 3, so total 5 root 3. Now 5 root 3 into root 3, that is 5 into 3 gives us 15, and 15 minus 15 gives us 0 as a remainder. Therefore, x square plus 4 root 3x minus 15 can be factorized as x minus root 3 as a one factor, and other factor that x plus 5 root 3. So in this way we factorize a term which are present in the denominator. Therefore the next step will be L is equal to limit x tends to root 3 For numerator, we write x plus root 3, x minus root 3, and x square plus 3. Now for denominator, we write x minus root 3 and x plus 5 root 3. So that equal to limit x tends to root 3. Here we cancel x minus 3 from numerator and denominator by stating the reason that since x tends to root 3 means x not equal to root 3 means x minus root 3 not equal to 0, and that's why here we cancel x minus 3 from numerator and denominator. Now the next step will be limit x tends to root 3, x plus root 3 and x square plus 3 in the numerator, whole thing divided by x plus 5 root 3 in the denominator. Now we substitute limit as x equal to root 3 in the numerator and denominator. The next step will be is equal to root 3 plus root 3, that is first bracket, root 3 the whole square plus 3 in the second bracket, and then whole thing divided by root 3 plus 5 root 3 in the denominator. Now root 3 plus root 3 gives us 2 root 3 into root 3 the whole square, that is 3 plus 3 6 in the numerator, and root 3 plus 5 root 3, so total 6 root 3 in the denominator. So here we cancel 6 ones are 6 ones are from numerator denominator. At the same time root 3 we cancel from numerator denominator. Finally we left with the number 2 only. So therefore this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.